Good morning and welcome to my Vedanta classes. Today we have one taken one important subject phrases for practice little advance म्हणजे काही महत्त्वाची वाक्य आहेत थोडीशी ॲडव्हान्स म्हणजे थोडीशी आधुनिक म्हणजे थोडीशी अवघड आहे पण आपण स्मॉल टॉक्स शिकलो आता क्लासरूम स्टॉक्स घेतले तर आपण थोडंसं नाव विल गो लिटल डीप तर आपण टुडे वी हॅव विल take about 60 or 70 sentences phrases. So I will just read out and I will not read Marathi also because it will be take time because you can see on screen की मी त्याचा मराठी अर्थ ऑलरेडी दिलेला आहे सो यू कॅन रीड इट फॉर प्रॅक्टिस डेफिनेटली तुम्ही यू विल नॉट यूज फॉर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश कारण आपण इंग्लिशचं ट्रान्सलेट करून आपल्याला इंग्लिश चांगलं बोलता येणार नाही तर फक्त माय एम और माय ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट यू स्टक एनीवेअर सो आय हॅव ट्रान्सलेट इन टू मराठी सो विल गो जस्ट डायरेक्टली थ्रू पेजेस. The door was stuck, but he was able to open it. She is capable of passing the exam if she tries harder. She is good at guessing things. Can't you explain it more simple? That is the most magnificent performance I ever seen. Well, perhaps I should have handled it with some more care. No one is to blame but myself. Yes, okay. It looks as though I have slipped up. I admit that I was absent minded. There will be serious consequences if you try to cheat us again. Next time, I won't forgive this type of behavior. Let me warn you, don't interfere in my affair in future. You would better be quick or you will miss the train. I am sorry to worry you with my problems, but I really do need some advice. I cannot make up my mind whether to go or not. Yes, but don't you agree that he is the best player we have? Well, you have a point, but he didn't do it deliberately. I think you may be partly right, but nobody could have expected such things to happen. What do you think you are? Look, this is getting us nowhere. सो त्याचा मराठी अर्थ आपण यू कॅन गो थ्रू आय विल जस्ट वेट फॉर टू जस्ट यू मेमराइज इट ओके देन नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्सेस आपण निवडले आहेत यू कॅन सी ऑन स्क्रीन हो स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग यू मेक मी सिक व्हेअर ऑन अर्थ यू हॅव बीन आर you suggesting that I should have apologized? I put trust on you, but you failed me. Are you trying to make a fool of me? Your mind is full with nonsense. Sorry about that. I hope you don't mind. Please forgive me for all this confusion. I'm sorry we have really let you down and there is no excuse. Forget it. I don't want you to feel bad about it. This strips makes you shirt look smart. I don't think I have ever seen anything quite so good. Most of it was very good, but some parts were rather dull. All parts of are okay, but on the whole, there is much that you can do it, improve it. I think you behaved very badly towards them. I think you should have explained it to them in person. Give me a kilo of apples. Pick out big one, please. I would like a kilo of tomato. They must have no spoiled spots in them. There is no doubt that he comes from a rich family. I am in two mind whether to accept it or not. Oh, that reminds, has he given you the key of the house? So you can see also in Marathi, I have tried to translate word to word in English. It may not be 100% correct, so you can use it. फॉर रेफरन्स. नंतर आपण नेक्स्ट जाऊया, नेक्स्ट टॉपिकमध्ये जाऊया, नेक्स्ट स्क्रीनमध्ये जाऊया. The potatoes you sold me are full of spoiled spots. I hate to contradict you, but I think you are wrong. I hardly know her. When you search the supermarket, turn sharp left and then you see my house. He is a balanced person and makes sensible decision. You have no right to order me. I have no faith in modern medicine. It's very good at persuading people to believe what he says. She is very clever woman and can understand things easily. He is a man of considerable intellect. He understands and recognizes things quickly and thoroughly. He can easily handle situations that most people find difficult. Suresh sometimes lost confidence under stress. He knows his own strength and weaknesses. I have a feeling that things are going to be alright. We will have to start work next month, assuming we get the contract. Okay, then we go next. If ever everybody has been arrogant, he is. We don't want him as our cashier any longer. Not that we don't trust him for anything. We will do it only if you pay in advance. They started teasing him, seeing that he is very shy and nervous. They don't care if he gets well or not. Find out if they are going today or tomorrow. Whether they are like it or not, we are going ahead with the plan. The problem is who will make the arrangements. Let's find whose house it is. They can appoint whoever they are like. Whenever you want to do it is fine with us. You don't know what problem she had to face. It is surprising how we managed to win elections. Though he bit confused, he answered the questions properly. We will have to help those who helped us. This is the medicine which cured injury. More people that expected came to the meeting. Don't give him more work than he can handle. So we are doing some little advanced phrases. Okay, the next and last screen, you can see on screen. I will just tell you because our class is at village area, so there are certain technical parts, technical things which cannot be perfect because there is no expert in village area. So every time there is some problem, so we have to go at city. So you have to bear with me, and all my students know where we are situated. So next screen, the best man to do the job is Sunil. She was first girl to come, last girl to leave. She was first girl to come, last girls to leave. A very important thing that I want to you to find out it is price. He has a lot of